When you purchase a horse in today's society, you have a very vast financial commitment to that horse, as well as your emotional attachment. And that financial commitment needs to be protected as you would protect anything else that you purchase. If you purchase a car for $10,000, you would protect that car with insurance. If you purchase a horse, you need to protect it with insurance as well. The decision on whether or not to insure your horse should be based on your financial outcome. And what I mean by that is, if this horse were to die, are you able to go out and replace this horse without any financial aid? If you are able to do that, then you may self-insure. If you are not, then you might want to consider insurance to make sure that you can replace this horse in the event of its loss. The vast majority of all horses are insurable. Contrary to popular belief, we begin insuring horses from an embryo stage, be it in their natural born mother or in a recipient mare, clear up to when they're in their 20s. A lot of people feel, for some reason, that if a horse has had a condition in the past, say for example a colic condition, they feel that that horse is uninsurable, and that's not necessarily true. If the horse has had a previous injury or a previous condition, contact your insurance agent, discuss this with them, and disclose the horse's previous history. You would be surprised that most times we can write an insurance policy on that horse. We will just have an exclusion for that particular ailment from its past. There's basically two types of insurance for your horse. One is a mortality policy, which is like a life insurance policy for your horse. When your horse needs a life insurance policy, that's going to cover it for mortality, and it's also going to cover it for theft. Other options you can get are major medical, emergency colic surgery, surgical, agreed value, and guaranteed renewal. The other options we have is a liability policy. A liability policy protects other people around your horse. For example, if your horse kicks someone, bites someone, and someone tries to come back and sue you for an action that your horse has taken. The best time to insure your horse is at the time of purchase. Talk to your insurance agent before you ever pick up the horse, and make sure you have a policy in place for the time that you're procuring the horse. If you're at a public auction, you can get insurance that takes place the moment the hammer falls. At the fall of the hammer, you can have insurance placed. If it is a horse you already own, for example a broodmare, and you have a baby on the way, you can actually insure the baby while it's in utero as a prospective foal, or if you'd rather wait till it's born, you can begin insuring at 24 hours of age. When you begin to buy horse insurance, your rates are determined by several different factors. The first one is the horse's breed, the second one is the horse's age, and the third one being its use. Those are your determining factors for determining a rate. If you end up selling your horse mid-term of your policy, just refer to your policy and there will be a short-term cancellation rate in there, and that will advise to you as how much of a refund you'll be getting back. To insure your horse is very simple. There's a basic form that you complete that asks the standard information about yourself as the horse owner, standard information about the horse, and then we also have a section where you answer questions about the horse's health. If for some reason you would like to insure this horse for more than usually $25,000, can be $35,000, they might require a vet cert. A veterinarian certificate is where you have your vet come out and complete a sheet, one-page form, very simple, that just asks general questions about the horse's health, and this is sworn and tested by the veterinarian. For more information on horse insurance, feel free to visit us on our website at www.equineinsuranceetc.com.